We're here today with Malay Panchal, founder and CEO of Pure Global Cannabis, Inc. Malay, thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
So why don't you give us an introduction to Pure Global Cannabis and the business model?
Absolutely. So Pure Global was founded by myself. I'm a pharmacist by trade and a physician and another pharmacist. And we realized an opportunity in a new sector that was being born. Came together in early 2014 and really rolled the dice at the time because we weren't at the earliest at the time. Didn't think we'd actually get this far. But being 83rd licensed, we've created a project here that really focuses on the pharma side of things. Cannabinoids are going to represent a tremendous opportunity for development of targeted therapeutics based in cannabinoids. And wellness is a huge industry as well with CBD products. And so we're really looking to bring best practices from parallel industries with a team of highly experienced and talented individuals and taking this on a global scale.
Mal, Pure Global has a really interesting strategy when it comes to growing their cannabis. You're looking at a multiponic vertical cannabis farm. So tell us a little bit more about that and why that's a differentiator.
I'd love to share what I can. So when I started this operation, myself being a pharmacist and realizing, obviously the key component of the application is to be a producer, I wasn't going to grow the product, and so the first person I needed to hire was the top grower I could find. I quickly realized the talent in the individual that we brought on board as really my first hire. Dr. Geschlage is PhD in plant physiology and an MSc in biotechnology. He built his first hydroponic farm at the age of 18, has won awards around the world and has patents around the world and is really bringing the science that was developed at NASA in terms of aeroponics and hydroponics and bringing that to commercial horticulture. You'd be hard pressed to find anyone more talented in North America than him for this purpose. And what we're bringing is modern technology to the cannabis sector, which is going to enable more yield with more potency and for standardization. And this is going to lead to the GMP pharmaceutical products that we're developing for both wellness and pharma.
Going forward, Mal, you've just listed on the Frankfurt Exchange. You've made this acquisition in Colombia. What's next for shareholders? What are we looking at over the next 6 to 12 months?
Well, we're looking forward to DTC listing very shortly, which will allow shareholders in the U.S. to participate more easily and be able to trading online and so forth. But immediately for us, we're very excited. Our sales licensing is the next big major milestone that we're beelining it to, if you will. And so we're actually already ready. Health Canada has given us the green light in terms of we're just waiting for the pre-license inspection, which we anticipate in the coming weeks. Our lots are ready, and we're ready to receive them. Subsequent to that will be the issuance of the license, which we anticipate sometime in October, and then we can commence sales. So we're lining things up to go to market immediately after launch and get that cash register ringing because we're a business and you need to start developing revenues.
Great. Thanks so much, Mal.
Thank you for having me.